We are constantly presented with information all over the world. We hear them from basically anyone and we read them literally everywhere. From inventions discovered by some widely acclaimed scientists, global leaders trying to make a change and tackle world problems that are relevant and timely. All of these information that you've heard and seen from social media, which are spread basically anywhere. And that's what we call news. Well, in today's video, I'm not going to talk to you all about news, but rather I'll help you make money from news. Isn't that good news? Well, today is a good day for you because with this method of gaining money online, this will definitely make you see news in a different light. And hey, don't worry, because this method that I'm going to show you is available anywhere. No matter where you are in the world, whether you're sipping a cup of tea in Paris or riding a camel in the sand dunes of Dubai, you can earn money conveniently and very easily. Not to mention this method is 100% free, which means no single amount of money is coming out of your pocket. There's more. You can also use any device that you want, be that your cell phone, computer, tablet, or basically whatever device you got and you're good to go. Talking about good news, right? It gets better because you can raise your earnings as much as you can. And stay with me in this video so you'll know what to do. Don't miss any important information that might compromise your money-making journey. But before we start, welcome to Digiconcept, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video, and without further ado, let's go to the first website that we're going to use. Go visit Google, and I want you to type in Google News. Or to make things easy, type in the search bar newsgoogle.com. After that, you will then discover this page where there are lots of updated news articles that are happening all over the world. On this website, there are various categories that you're going to be selecting depending on which type of news you choose, from entertainment, local, international sports, and everything of the sort. Name it, and you'll see it here. You might wonder, how are you going to make money off of news that you're searching on Google? Well, you'll have your answer if you stay with me until the end of the video. Sit tight as I'm about to show you how you can make money online. Going through the page on the left part, you can see that there's this column that shows different news categories. To choose from within these categories, I want you to have your eyes on business, entertainment, health, science, sports, and technology. Now I want you to click health. After that you'll be seeing this very page where tons of the latest news about health are presented from different parts of the globe. You now have the freedom to choose any article you want on this page, but I want you to do what I'm about to tell you so that you can save more time. Simply select the first article presented on this website, as it is the most updated news. Side note, these articles here are all interesting and the news themselves are amazing. So when you do this method on your own, you're free to choose whatever you want. Now that we already have our article, I want you to copy the entire article using your mouse or your keyboard. After copying the article, set that aside and we will now move on to our next website where all the good stuff happens. At this point, we're now on the second website I present to you, which is called Finbot. This is the website where you copy text from. The article will be paraphrased and reworded, which in turn will give you your own original and new article in less than 10 seconds. You know how great that news is, right? All you need to do is paste your copy text by simply using your mouse or your keyboard, and after that you'll now have your own article. See, I told you about the good stuff, and now you're seeing the good stuff. With that you're now set and ready, as you already have your own articles, which you'll be using in order to get paid on the 3 different websites that I'll be showing you. Just a heads up, you will be paid for each word that you have on the article. Isn't that just another great news? If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. To start things off, this website is called eatingwell.com. Eatingwell.com is a health website that pays you for every word that you have on your article, which is related to what we have searched and reworded earlier, as they are on the same topic. Actually, on eatingwell.com, you get $1 for every word you've written on your article, and when you think about it, $1 for every word is literally humongous. From copying and pasting some articles on Google, you get to have money in a quick blink of an eye. Let's say you've got 1,000 words on your article. Then after you submitted it to eatingwell.com, they will pay you $1,000 that easily. I would definitely buy myself a large size burger and a new phone after that. Now I know you badly want to know how you can make this happen. So let's start by scrolling down on their website. As you work your way down, you can see the contact us part, where an email address is embedded there. That email address is how you can reach Eating Well, and then you'll be using that right now. Now I want you to go to your email and write their email address in the recipient field. Then I'll want you to paste your reconstructed article in the main field as the content of your email 2 steps down. And now the next thing that you will do is fill in the subject field, which is simply article submission. Lastly, you will now send that email, and just like that you're done. After a couple of days or so, you will receive an email confirming that your article is accepted and that they want to publish it on their website. Just be patient so that they will pay you by asking for your payment option and information. In doing so, you need to give them your payment information on PayPal if you prefer to get paid on this platform. But don't worry, as I said earlier, if you don't prefer PayPal, there are different platforms to choose from, whether bank transfer or any ad that is available. Choose whatever platform you wish to receive your money. See how this is convenient for you. Alright? Now moving on to our next website. This is also another platform where you can make money in a heartbeat. It also uses reconstructed articles from news articles that you got from Google News. And not to prolong the agony, this website is called sierraclub.org, is a website that tackles the environment, health, and science, which is a bit related to the first website that I just showed you. In order to accomplish this method successfully, simply go and do the exact same thing that you did on the first website, with the obvious exception that you're going to do this on sierraclub.org's contact information. Repeat the email process from sierraclub.org's email as your recipient, article submission as your subject, and then the content from the reconstructed article that you did earlier in. They don't offer many topics or categories that you can select your articles from. This website only offers categories such as the environment and science, but there's absolutely no reason to turn down this opportunity because everything can be done in just a snap of your fingers. This has been Digiconcept. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.